substance is basic. कैसे पता लगता है?
Substances which dissociate into H positive ion.
Right. The substance here with dissociating H plus ion is known as acid. Substance with dissociate. For example, if I'm writing, can you tell me this molecule? How will you name it? How will you name this molecule?
Hydrogen chloride.
Hydrogen chloride, and its aqueous solution is known as hydrochloric acid. We call it as acid because it has a separable, replaceable H plus ion. Similarly, in sulfuric acid also, this H plus ion can be replaced, can be separated. That is why it has named the word. We are adding acid to it. Now, बच्चे इसे सोच के देखो. If you look at these two acids, both of them are acid. If you observe them carefully, then in this particular molecule, hydrogen atom is attached to the oxygen atom. This replaceable hydrogen atom is attached to the oxygen atom, so it is known as oxo. So here I am talking about oxo acid. Whereas if you look at this particular molecule, this replaceable H ion is not attached to the oxygen. So it's not an example of oxo acid. It's an example of acid, but not an example of oxo acid. Whereas this is an example of oxo acid because I am having replaceable hydrogen ion which is attached to oxygen. So when I take metals, okay, like alkali metals, sodium, potassium, and all, when I react it with this molecule, oxo acid, then H of this particular substance molecule can be replaced in presence of sulfuric acid. This H can be replaced by N. This H can be replaced by N. S double bond O and this O1. Here I am talking about that these metals, alkali metals, react with oxo acid to form their respective salt. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, they have taken another example that carbonic acid H2CO3, where H again exists in this particular form, oxo acid form, again react with these metals to form salt, and H2 is released in this particular case. ठीक है? तभी हम बात करते हैं metal salts of H2CO3, that is carbonic acid. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
और इसीलिए हमने एक बात करी थी that lithium carbonate. Now we are talking about stability of carbonates. Stability of carbonates. Okay. Suppose I am talking about Li2CO3. This Li2CO3 is formed when both the hydrogen atoms of carbonic acid, which is an example of oxo acid, is replaced by lithium atom. I'm having lithium carbonate. Okay. Now this lithium carbonate is, do you think will it be stable or it will be unstable?
Ma'am, unstable.
Unstable. Why is it so?
Because lithium will
Because of that
small in
size.
size, whereas carbonate will be
So
large in size.
stability of a molecule depend upon the comparable size of anion and cation. Size of both anion and cation should be comparable. Only then it is stable. If the size of lithium ion is very small and the size of carbonate ion is very big, again we have a problem. Molecule may not be stable. That is why lithium carbonate does not exist in solid state. It exists in liquid state. It exists in liquid state. Lithium carbonate, it exists in liquid state. What happened to thermal stability as we move down the group? What happened to thermal stability as we move down? It
increases.
Thermal stability increases as we move down the group. Please write it down. Thermal stability increases as we move down the group. Reason for it?
Ma'am, the increase in size.
It's not only increase in size.
The size of the elements increase as we go down the group. Ma'am, the size of anion and cation are comparable when we
Very
go
good.
down.
This statement has to be there. Size of anion and cation now are comparable. That is why the molecule or the stability increases as we move down. Next, लिखो बेटा heading. Anomalous properties of lithium. Anomalous properties of lithium. Under this, please write. Anomalous property means behaving in a different manner as expected. Now, when I'm talking about lithium, it is the first member of the group, and first member of every group behave differently. Right reason. What should be the reason? Answer को बता फटाफट. What should be
Very
the
small
reason?
size.
First,
Small size.
because of very small size. Second, small sizes उसे relate किसका करते हैं? What about ionization enthalpy?
Highest hydration enthalpy.
High.
Very high ionization enthalpy. And when ionization enthalpy is very high, so it will also give rise to which thing? Ionic nature or covalent nature?
Covalent nature.
And mainly covalent character. And presence or absence of d orbital, anything you want to say?
Ma'am, absent.
The orbital is absent, so it cannot increase its covalency beyond 4. Please write. Because of absence of d orbital, it cannot increase its covalency beyond 4. Done. Next, here again it has the ability to form p pi, but इसमें multiple bond तो आते ही नहीं. p pi multiple bond be related with the p block elements. Okay. Acha. Because it may be forming a covalent compound, so whether it will be soluble in water or it will be soluble in organic molecule.
Ma'am, organic solvents.
Organic molecules.
Lithium salts, lithium compounds are soluble in organic solvents. अब मुझे सोच के बताना. What happened as you move left to right in a period? What happened to the size?
And
Decreases.
Ma'am, it
Size
decreases.
What happened as you move down the group?
Increases.
Size
Increases.
Not
The size increases.
Not compare from lithium to beryllium. What will happen to the size?
Size of beryllium is smaller than the lithium.
Correct. And when we move from beryllium to magnesium, what will happen to the size?
Ma'am, the magnesium have a higher radius than the greater radius than the beryllium.
Right. Now, in a way, I can say the size of this lithium will be comparable to that of magnesium.
Yes, ma'am.
And I can say because as you move left to right, the size decreases, and as you move down, the size increases. The size of lithium and magnesium will become comparable. When size becomes comparable, what about ionization enthalpy? Will it be comparable?
Yes, ma'am.
Because ionization enthalpy somehow depend upon size only.
Yes, ma'am.
Ionization enthalpy depend upon size only. So will the ionization enthalpy be comparable?
Yes, ma'am.
Same size when I am comparing lithium and magnesium. I am talking about same size. So when I am talking about same size, I am talking about same ionization enthalpy. When I am talking about same ionization enthalpy, what about electronegativity? Electronegativity also depend upon
Same
size.
electronegativity.
Same electronegativity. Okay. Electron gain enthalpy. What about electron gain enthalpy?
Same.
Almost same electron gain enthalpy. Of course, these parameters when I'm talking about ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity, they talk about the chemical nature. They basically help us to identify chemical nature. Right? All of them help to identify the chemical nature. And now I can say this lithium and magnesium will behave chemically in a similar manner. This lithium and magnesium will behave chemically in a similar manner. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है अब लिखो Under this slide, points of similarities between lithium and magnesium. Point of similarities between lithium and magnesium. First one, both of them have same atomic, almost similar atomic radii and ionic radii. Similar 152, 160, 76 and 72. ये lithium है, ये magnesium. Please write it down. They have similar. And what will be the unit? Isn't picometer? Isn't picometer? So atomic radius of lithium is 152 picometer. That of magnesium is 160 picometer. Ionic radii of lithium is 72 picometer. For that of magnesium is 76 picometer. They have similar. तो अभी हमें लग रहा है ना 152, 160 कितना डिफरेंट है, पर सोच के देखो बेटा, इसके ऊपर यूनिट है 10⁻12. With the unit 10⁻12, ये जो size difference है ना, ये the unit digit में जो difference आ रहा है, that may not be that much significant. उतना ज़्यादा वो significant होगा ही नहीं. Okay, right. Next one. Under this, both lithium and magnesium are harder and lighter. Than the respective group members. Harder and lighter. Next, all of you know that alkali metals react vigorously with water. Explosive होता है. They're stored in kerosene. But lithium and magnesium, please write. Lithium and magnesium react slowly with water. Next, their oxides and hydroxides are less soluble. And they decompose on heating. Next one, देखो. Both lithium and magnesium reacts with nitrogen present in air to form respective nitride. Both lithium and magnesium react with nitrogen present in air to form their respective nitrides. Next, lithium oxide and magnesium oxide. Lithium and magnesium do not combine with oxygen to form superoxide. Simple oxide form करेंगे because of their small size. They do not combine with oxygen to form superoxides. Next, right. Both lithium and magnesium carbonates are unstable. They are unstable to heat and they can easily converted into oxides and carbon dioxide. For example, if I take lithium carbonate on heating, it will form lithium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So they are thermally unstable. Next, both lithium and magnesium fluoride are soluble in ethanol because they are having which nature? Covalent or ionic? Lithium chloride, magnesium chloride, do they have covalent?
Covalent.
And covalent salts are soluble in covalent solvent.
Polar solvents.
So they are soluble in ethanol. Under this only, right, next heading, points of differences between lithium and other alkali metals. Point of differences between lithium and other alkali metals. Next under this, right, first point. अब आप सोच के देखो क्या क्या डिफरेंस हो सकते हैं. आप बताओ lithium and other like sodium, potassium, barium. जो क्लिक करता है बताओ.
मैम जो मैग्नीशियम और लिथियम के बीच में कॉम्युनिटीज थी ना, वो बाकी सारे एलिमेंट्स और लिथियम में डिफरेंस हो जाएगा.
चलो वेरी गुड। अब बताओ डिफरेंस बताओ, पहला
मैम
डिफरेंस
मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट।
तो कैसे लिखेंगे? ठीक बोल रहा। फर्स्ट पॉइंट
मैम
चलो।
मैम दे आर हार्ड।
वेरी गुड, राइट। फर्स्ट पॉइंट, lithium is much harder. Lithium is much harder and its melting and boiling point are higher than other alkali metals. Much harder and melting and boiling point are higher than the other alkali metals.
Ma'am, carbonates and bicarbonates are unstable, and others
Are
are.
liquid. The carbonates and bicarbonates are unstable, and carbonate is present in liquid state, whereas carbonates of other metal exist in solid state. Please write. Carbonates and bicarbonates are less stable, and they are not obtained in solid state, whereas all other metal carbonates and bicarbonates are obtained in solid state. Any other difference?
Ma'am, their halides are soluble in water.
It forms covalent bond while other form ionic bond.
देखो करेक्ट, इन दोनों पॉइंट को कंबाइन करते देखो बेटा। एल्की मेटल forms ionic bond, whereas lithium forms covalent compound or covalent bond. Lithium, unlike alkali metal, do not react with ethyne. मतलब we have studied about that H plus and replaceable H plus and oxoacid में पढ़ा था, इसी में हमने कहा था ना, this H of ethyne is acidic in nature, but when I am talking about lithium, lithium is not able to replace H, which is acidic in this particular molecule. ठीक है? और इसी के आगे लिखो, lithium chloride is deliquescent in nature. Deliquescent. Deliquescent. Deliquescent in nature. What do you mean by the word deliquescent? What I mean deliquescent? Deliquescent means those substances which absorb moisture and become liquid. For example, कभी आप लोगों ने observe किया है that table salt NaCl that we keep it on the dining table. After some time it is not no more free flow. It's not no more free flowing. Observe करा बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, तभी cash मसाले they give advertisement by saying that it's a free flowing. Why? Because NaCl is deliquescent in nature, it will absorb moisture from air and this NaCl will form a paste. Is it okay?
Ma'am, lithium forms monoxide while others form superoxide and peroxide.
Right. Lithium will form simple oxide, whereas other will form peroxide and superoxide. Next, लिखो बेटा.
Ma'am, could you repeat?
बोलो. When I am taking this nitrate, nitrates of others on heating will get converted to nitrite plus oxygen is released. But when I am taking lithium nitrate on heating, it results into lithium oxide plus NO2 plus O. इसको बैलेंस कर लेना बेटा. Done? Here this is unique and it is releasing NO2. What is the color of this NO2 gas?
Reddish brown.
Brown.
Reddish brown gas. So here only this nitrates of lithium on burning will give reddish brown fumes, whereas the sodium nitrate on burning will not give reddish brown fume. ठीक है बेटा? So here in exam we may ask you to give 2 or 3 similarities or differences between alkali metals and other alkali metals, and like lithium and other alkali metals, or similarities between lithium and magnesium. So I hope all of you will be able to do it. Yes, students. कर लोगे इतना? Clear है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, next heading. After that, they have given in your NCERT, they have given preparation, properties, and uses of various compounds of these alkali metals. But this portion is deleted. Now, quickly move to the alkaline earth metal group 2. All right, next heading. Group 2. Group 1 over. इतना ही है बेटा. Physical and chemical properties.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, right, group 2 elements. Group 2 elements. Under group 2 elements, right, beryllium. Then magnesium. After magnesium, you have
Calcium.
Calcium.
Strontium. Barium.
okay. And the last one is radium, which is
Radioactive.
Radioactive in nature.
तो इसको हम थोड़ा कम ही पढ़ेंगे in this particular. After this, right, this group 2 elements are known as alkaline earth metal. Group 2 elements are known as alkaline earth metal. Why the name alkaline and why the word earth?
Ma'am, because they form basic oxides which are soluble in water and are found in earth crust.
Very good. Please write it down. They are known as alkaline earth metal because they will react with oxygen to form basic oxide, which is soluble in water. Basic oxide, these react with oxygen to form basic oxide soluble in water. And earth metal because they are found in earth crust. Earth metal because they are found in earth crust. Next one. General electronic configuration is NS2. General electronic configuration is NS2. Next, right. Heading atomic and ionic radius. What happened to the size as you move down the group?
Increases.
Increase.
So, ionization enthalpy
Decreases.
as you move down the group, atomic as well as ionic size increases. Atomic and ionic size increases. Next point, right? Ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy will increase or decrease down the group?
Ma'am, decrease.
Decrease.
Beta, one child is saying something. Can you please repeat? अभी एक लड़के ने कुछ बोला था ना. One child was saying, one boy was saying something. Can you please repeat? Now, if I compare comparing ionization enthalpy of group 1 and group 2. बताओ. So, if I compare ionization of enthalpy of group 2 element with group 1 in a given period, will it increase or it will decrease?
Decrease.
Increase.
Ma'am, increase.
Size, what are the size? Will it increase or decrease?
Ma'am, size decrease, ionization enthalpy increase.
Please write it down. As we move in a period, left to right in a period, the size decreases. And this decrease in size will give rise to higher ionization enthalpy. Will give rise to higher ionization enthalpy. Next, right, hydration enthalpy. अब फटाफट से बता. Hydration enthalpy, when I am talking about, I will talking about ions. So will it increases down the group or it will decreases down the group?
Ma'am, decreases down the group.
Please write it down. Hydration enthalpy of these ions decreases down the group. So which one will have highest one?
Beryllium.
Beryllium.
This is the order. Hydration enthalpy increases in this particular manner. Next, right. Many of these hydrates, many of these halides of alkaline earth metal exist as hydrates. Exist as hydrates. What do you mean by the word hydrate?
Addition of hydrogen.
This contains water of crystallization. It contains water of crystallization. It contains water of crystallization. Next, write physical properties. Next, write physical properties. Under this, write first one. Many of these alkaline earth metals are silvery white. Many of these alkaline earth metals are silvery white, lustrous, and relatively soft. Lustrous, relatively soft, but harder than alkali metals. Relatively soft, but harder than alkali metals.
Could you repeat, please?
Is generally silvery white, lustrous, and relatively soft. Silvery white, lustrous, relatively soft, but harder than alkali metals. But harder than alkali metals. आप सबने मैग्नीशियम रिबन देखा. What is the color of magnesium ribbon?
Ma'am, silver.
Ma'am, silver.
Silver grayish. Beryllium and magnesium appears to be somewhat grayish. Grayish. Now think and tell me, if I have to compare the melting point of these, what will happen to the melting point? Will melting point increase or decrease as we move from sodium to magnesium?
Ma'am, increase.
Increase because of increase in molecular mass.
Increase, both the reasons, because size decreases as well as there is an increase in molecular mass. So please write it down. Melting and boiling point of alkaline earth metal is higher than the alkali metals. Is higher than the alkali metals due to small size. Now, what will happen to the metallic character? Will it increase or decreases down the group?
Ma'am, increases down a group.
Increase or decreases metallic character?
Ma'am, down.
Ma'am, increases down the group.
Metallic character means tendency to release electron. So the metallic character increases down the group. Metallic character increases down the group. Next line, flame test. These alkali metals, except beryllium and magnesium, give characteristic color to the flame. These alkaline earth metals, except beryllium and magnesium, give characteristic color to the flame. Why do you think beryllium and magnesium Doesn't give any characteristic color.
And because of the smaller size.
Can you repeat?
Right. Because of this smaller size, this ionization enthalpy or the amount of energy required to move electron from one shell to another shell is very large. That is why beryllium and magnesium do not impart color to the flame. Please write it down. Beryllium and magnesium do not impart color to the flame because of this small size. Because of their small size, the energy required, because of their small size, the energy required to remove electron and move to the higher shell is very, very high. Is very, very high. And this much amount of energy, is not provided by the flame. And this much amount of energy is not provided by the flame.
Could you repeat, please?
Because of the small size, the energy required for the electron to move from smaller, which is much more closer to the nucleus, that electron to move to the higher shell is very high. And this much high amount of energy is not provided by the flame. Is not provided by the flame. Done? Next, right, beta. Chemical properties. Next heading, right? Chemical properties. Under chemical properties, right? First one, reaction with air and water. Reaction with air and water. Next, have you ever observed that when I have to burn magnesium ribbon, what I have to do in order to initiate a combustion?
Ma'am, rub it with sandpaper.
Sandpaper. Why we rub it with the sandpaper?
Layer.
Ma'am, to remove the inert layer on the
Remove the layer
surface.
of magnesium oxide.
Already formed layer of magnesium oxide.
Correct. Please write it down. Beryllium and magnesium are kinetically inert. Are kinetically inert to oxygen and water. Inert to oxygen and water because of the formation of oxide film on their surface. Because of the formation of oxide film on their surface. However, in case of magnesium, we rub it with a sandpaper. In case of magnesium, all of you know, we rub it with a sandpaper and powdered beryllium. And powdered beryllium burns brilliantly. And powdered beryllium burns brilliantly on ignition in air. On ignition in air to give magnesium के साथ क्या बनता है बेटा? When you burn magnesium ribbon, you get two things.
Magnesium oxide.
White color compound of magnesium oxide and white dazzling light of magnesium nitride. Similarly, this beryllium on heating, on burning in air will give beryllium oxide and beryllium nitride. Please write. Beryllium on heating also gave beryllium oxide and beryllium nitride. Next line. Calcium, strontium and barium. This we have talked about two elements. Let's talk about next three. Calcium, strontium and barium are readily attacked by air. Are readily attacked by air to form the oxide. To form the oxide and nitride. Form the oxide and nitride. Next one, they also react. These elements also react with cold water to form hydroxide. These elements also react with cold water to form hydroxides. Next line. Reaction with halogen. Next one, reaction with halogen. Under this, please write. These alkaline earth metal combine with halogen at higher temperature. Combine with halogen at higher temperature to form respective halides. Next, right? But beryllium being very small in size, यहाँ पे ionization enthalpy, because when I'm doing so, I'm converting my metal into metal ion, which is difficult in case of beryllium. So beryllium, लिखो बेटा, beryllium fluorides and chlorides are conveniently made from their oxides. So if I am to react with carbon plus Cl2, it will give rise to and this carbon will get up on carbon monoxide.
What was the point? Beryllium chloride and fluoride.
Beryllium chloride and beryllium fluoride can be easily prepared from beryllium oxide by this reaction. By this particular reaction. Next. Reaction with hydrogen. Under this, please write alkaline earth metal except hydrogen. Alkaline earth metal except beryllium combines with hydrogen to form their respective hydrides. All elements combine with hydrogen except beryllium to form their respective hydrides. Direct reaction, beta. Suppose I am having magnesium, I react it with H2. So it will form MgH2. Like this. Okay? So they directly react to give hydrides. Next, beta is cement. Now, if I want to prepare beryllium hydride, so what I have to do? I have to react BeCl2. So यहाँ पे form हुआ है ना? This BeCl2, I react it with LiAlH4. What is the nature of AlH4? Is it oxidizing agent or reducing agent?
Ma'am, reducing.
Reducing agent.
It's reducing agent. So reducing agent means it's help in the addition of hydrogen. So it will replace Cl. From this beryllium chloride, it will form BeH2. Okay. अब और क्या बनेगा? What else it will form?
Ma'am, AlCl3.
From lithium hydride.
AlCl3. Please write it down. Lithium chloride plus AlCl3. Next, write. Written. Done, बच्चे? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, देखो बेटा. These metals react with acid. To release क्या करेंगे?
Hydrogen gas.
Release hydrogen. These metals react with acid to release hydrogen gas. Next, right? Reducing nature. Reducing nature means it will itself will undergo oxidation, and oxidation means loss of electron. These metals, they are also have a tendency to get converted into metal and loss of electrons. Okay? Next, right? Reducing nature. Like alkali metals, alkaline earth. reducing nature. Now we are talking about reducing nature. Now, should I continue, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Like alkali metals, alkaline earth metals are also very strong reducing agent. They are also very strong reducing agent, which is indicated by the large negative value of their reduction potential. Which is indicated by large negative value of their reduction potential. Now, when I'm talking about beryllium, Be2 plus, this Be2 plus will act as a strong reducing agent because when we talk about reducing power, we talk about three enthalpies. Can you name those three enthalpies?
Hydration enthalpy, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy.
Sublimation enthalpy. Okay? Sublimation, or we can also call it as atomic enthalpy. Basically, I'm removing my atom from the forces of all other atoms. So here in this particular case, sublimation enthalpy, ionization enthalpy, and hydration enthalpy. Beryllium is one of the strongest reducing agent because the size of beryllium is
Very small.
very small. And due to very small size of beryllium, what will happen to the hydration enthalpy?
Ma'am, high.
Highest.
High negative hydration enthalpy. This will make, ठीक है बेटा, reduction potential की value जितनी ज़्यादा negative, more the negative value of this reduction potential, stronger that particular substance will act as a reducing agent. Stronger that particular element will act as reducing agent. ठीक है? In case of beryllium, it is a very strong reducing agent because the hydration enthalpy is very large. Please liquid. Because the hydration enthalpy is very, very large. Done?
Ma'am, reduction potential is determined by these three, and we are writing that
more negative the value means better reducing agent it will.
but that is true for only hydration ना, वही तो होती है बस negative में.
हाँ, सिर्फ वही negative है, बाकी दोनों positive. ठीक है बेटा. Next, right? Solution in liquid ammonia. Exactly same hai as we have done in the last class. When these alkaline earth metal dissolve in ammonia, what is the color of ammonia? Or ammonia dissolved in liquid in water?
Colorless.
Colorless. So when I add metal to this liquid ammonia, what will be the color change?
Deep blue color.
Deep blue color. What will be the nature?
Paramagnetic.
Paramagnetic.
And when I add excess of metal, then what will happen?
Bronze.
Paramagnetic.
And diamagnetic.
Bronze diamagnetic.
And on long standing, it will release hydrogen gas with the formation of amide. Okay? On long
So is
standing.
this for alkali metals?
This is true for alkaline earth metal as well. दोनों का portion topic same है. Is it okay? दोनों का content portion दोनों का same. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
बस definition जो difference आएगा ना, जब हम लिखते हैं metal dissociate, यहाँ पे 2 plus आएगा, 2 electron आएगा. ये बात याद रखना. When this combined with ammonia, X plus Y. तो X molecule ammonia किसके साथ attach करते हैं? प्लस. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे भी इलेक्ट्रॉन के साथ क्या है? अमोनिया अटैच कर रहा है. Y टोटल और ओवरऑल चार्ज यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है. ठीक है, बस इतना याद रखना बेटा. Is it okay? यहाँ पे 2 प्लस है, यहाँ पे y इलेक्ट्रॉन है, इस इलेक्ट्रॉन की वजह से चार्ज will be negative. The only difference is this. Okay. Up in the next class, that is tomorrow, we'll continue with some compounds and uses and compound करेंगे oxides, nitrides and anomalous behavior of beryllium and again the diagonal relationship. That's it. What all we have done
Ma'am?
for alkali metal, same we'll be doing it for alkaline earth metal. Yes, Vijay.
Ma'am, have you taken the attendance?
No, I have not taken the attendance.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Please ask.
Ma'am, reducing agent में आपने बताया that the reducing potential is determined by all three. Then we have written that higher the value of hydration, like more the negative value of hydration enthalpy, the greater reducing agent it is. And then why only that?
Why only what, beta? We have
Why
to
only
consider
hydration
all three.
enthalpy?
All three में बाकी दो तो positive है. Atomization enthalpy plus ionization enthalpy, both of them are positive. There you are supplying energy. आप उसमें energy supply कर रहे हो, है ना? In case of hydration, energy is released. Energy is released, it will make the molecule more stable. Excess energy तो निकल गई, it will make the molecule more stable. जितना कम energy होगी उतना ज़्यादा stability होगी.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
ठीक है? Any other doubt? I hope the concept of hydrides or halide is clear to everyone. Stability of carbonates and bicarbonates. Yes, yesterday one class 11th age boy was asking related with the stability. Are you there, beta? Can you please check is 11th age students are there in the group? Are 11th age students present in the group?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any child, I don't know, I don't remember the name. One child was asking about the thermal stability of carbonates and bicarbonates. Okay. Any student having any doubt in this particular thing? One very important news that I want to tell you, though it's not there in your syllabus, sodium and potassium ions help in transmitting signals across membranes. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा when we are having high BP, we are advised to take diet which is low in salt. Have you ever heard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sometimes people start using low sodium salt where this Na is replaced by potassium ion. Okay, but later on you may be hearing it. जब आप बहुत एज पे हो जाते हैं when you have taken less salt in your diet, आपकी डाइट में से सोडियम की डेफिशिएंसी हो जाती है. And when you have a deficiency of sodium, okay, when you have a deficiency of sodium in your diet in your body, then the way you to respond to any situation changes. आपने पैन पकड़ा, आपको गरम लगा, आपने फटाफट से हटाया क्योंकि आपके ब्रेन ने सिग्नल दिया उसे हटाओ. When there is a deficiency of sodium ion in my body, this transmitting of signal is very slow. It will take time for that person to remove hand. तो कई बार ये lack of thinking process is there. क्या कह रहे हो बेटा?
मैम जैसे सॉल्ट वाटर में कंडक्टिविटी ज्यादा होती है तो मैम कुछ वैसे ही रीजन है.
हाँ, कुछ उसी तरीके से क्रॉस मेम्ब्रेन सिग्नल आसानी से ट्रांसफर हो जाते हैं व्हेन आई एम हैविंग सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम आयन. तो बायो वाले स्टूडेंट ये पोर्शन याद रखेंगे अच्छे से. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, चलो, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क? एनी डाउट? चलो फिर बाय.
Ma'am,
ये सारा
portion of uses will also come.
क्या चीज?
Ma'am, the portion of uses will also come.
Yes, we will discuss at the end briefly. फटाफट से डिस्कस कर लेंगे. Most of the time we are not asking uses, but we'll just discuss in brief.
Okay.
Okay, चलो. Bye everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.